Welcome to GOODLIFE. What you are seeing is our 6mm transparent polycarbonate solid sheet. It looks like a standard panel, but it has a powerful secret: a premium anti-scratch hard coating. Let's put it to the test. Here, we are aggressively scratching the hard-coated surface with a metal key. Now, we do the exact same thing to a standard polycarbonate sheet. Back to the hard-coated sheet, and again to the standard one. The difference in surface resistance is about to become very clear. Let's inspect the hard-coated sheet. As you can see, the surface remains pristine. Zero visible scratches. Now look at the standard polycarbonate. The metal key has left deep, permanent scratches, instantly ruining its optical clarity. Under direct light, the difference is undeniable. The GOODLIFE anti-scratch sheet maintains perfect transparency. The specialized hard coating acts as a brilliant shield against everyday wear and tear. Meanwhile, the standard sheet shows severe surface damage. This is exactly why hard-coated polycarbonate is essential for high-traffic environments, heavy machinery glazing, and security shields. Side by side, the contrast and durability is night and day. Let's look closer. Under normal, moderate scraping with a keychain, the hard coating effortlessly resists damage. Please note, while it is highly abrasion-resistant, extreme and deliberate force with a sharp metal point may leave minor marks. It is not totally indestructible, but it provides an exceptional protective barrier for demanding industrial applications. How do we achieve this world-class quality? It starts from the ground up. We use only 100% virgin Bayer polycarbonate resin and premium UV functional Masterbatch. At Zhongshan GOODLIFE, these premium materials are extruded through our state-of-the-art Italian OMIPA production lines. This advanced equipment ensures precise thickness, flawless optical clarity, and consistent coating application across every single sheet. Our experienced team carefully handles and stacks the finished sheets, enforcing strict quality control at every step of the process. Every batch is securely packaged on sturdy wooden pallets, complete with official quality certificates and protective wrapping, ready for safe global shipping. For premium anti-scratch polycarbonate solutions that stand the test of time, trust GOODLIFE. Contact our expert team today.